Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up.
I am a career firefighter. I am a staff sergeant. And I'm a mother of twins. I am a staff sergeant, Army Reserve. I've been in 10 years now.
Ready, go.
I joined initially because pretty much my parents joined. You see them with their uniform, how great they look, and you're like, man, I want to look like that too. That constant support from my parents. My dad, he always told me, you're beautiful, you're smart, you can do anything, and still to this day, he tells me that. It helps me so much. My mom is my earliest memory of Black beauty. Everywhere she went, whether it's to the grocery store or anywhere, she had a full face of makeup, and she just liked to use that time to just look beautiful, and I just love it. So that's how I try to be too. The first time I went into Sephora, every brand is like for everybody. It just makes you feel happy and welcome to be there. It gives us the space to go in and have the things we use and things we need. Sometimes you can go into certain department stores and they don't have my type of foundation, highlights that show up on my skin, or melanated skin tones, and Sephora, 100% if you go in, they're gonna have something for me. I have a platoon of soldiers under me, 30 soldiers that report directly to me, and I'm responsible for training and their well-being. Some sergeants in the Army with me were also firefighters, and they was like, you know, you're gung-ho, you work hard, you should be a firefighter. I'm like, can women be firefighters? And he was like, yeah, apply. I am a career firefighter for the city of Richmond. I've been here 6 years, and every day has been different. Physically, everything is heavy. So when you put on your gear, before you even get to the fire and do any work, you're already 80 pounds heavier. So I knew I was gonna have to train like I never trained before, and it was mentally, it was tough as well. I almost wanted to throw in the towel at the end of Fire Academy. I made it, but I had to dig deep and think about why I was doing this for other girls like me, to see that women can be in the fire service. You're doing this for more than just you. You gotta dig deep and get it done. What's this? Yes, yay! I have two 3-year-old twins named India and Imani. They are wild as ever, and I think they're my hardest job, truthfully. Not being a firefighter, not being a soldier, being a mom is by far the hardest job I have. I'm up very, very, very early, getting the twins ready. You know, I'm fighting with them, getting them up, getting myself ready, get them off to daycare, get myself here, and try to be cool, calm, and collected. Like I didn't just go through 2 hours of stress before work. All in all, it's tough, challenging, but it's worth it. What I want my 3-year-old daughters to know is that they can do anything. They motivate me and push me. I wouldn't be able to do it without them. Being a woman in these male-dominated fields can be tough, and when I want to give up, because some days I do want to give up, it gets overwhelming. I look at my twins, and I know I can do it. They push me to go further and do more and more to inspire them and inspire other women. And I want other women to know that they can be firefighters. It's hard, it's tough, but it can be done, and it's a very rewarding job.